Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and this is the kit that I already made I think more than 5 years. Yeah, I keep in my stash. Actually I made 3 of these, different patterns, different theme. The 2 already sold to a member last 3 or 4 years, and I already forget this, and yeah, I haven't do the video to show for this kit. So I just keep my just now keep my craft room, and I found this, and it is a beautiful kit. I believe I make this is like for the Valentine's, or yeah, you can use this as a Valentine kit and wedding, cause some of the image is a bride and groom, is a wedding theme. Anyway, I show you. This is very beautiful. Okay, and you can see the color is quite dark. It's burgundy, or the red wine red. I think it's burgundy. You call this is burgundy color. See this color. The camera show is quite dark, but yeah, this flower is quite beautiful. It's a chiffon rose, so you have 2, and also you have some of the paint for you to decorate your book, and also with this ribbon flower, 3, 4, 5 of these. Okay, and some laces for you to decorate your book, and different pattern one. This is the same. This one, yeah, this slightly different. You can see this is whiter, and the scallop, and this one is slim, then the pattern different, and this one is like and this is like this. Okay, so you can use this to decorate your book. And one of this big chiffon champagne color match with this theme. And for the kit, you have one of these is the dry rosebud in the bottle, and the rose trinket, and love trinket here, and yeah, one more, the slim cream color lace. And also I provide this one of this, you can put in your book and see how you decorate with this. Okay, let me open and show you. Okay, and this one is the elastic band for you to for the binding. Okay, I just put this here. This love. Okay, yeah, it's got this. I think we've got, yeah, you will have three yards here, I believe. So it is enough for you to use this elastic to bind your book. Yeah, you can check the tutorial from YouTube. They have many different tutorial to show you how to use this elastic book to bind the journal book, the notebook in your for your project. Okay, for this one, I sewed these 2 embroidery 2 fabric on this cardstock. Let me just show you. It's a cardstock. Okay, and inside is cardstock. Okay, so let's start like this, and you have 3 different booklet, and I printed with the good quality cardstock. And let me to show you the first one. Yeah, there we have a lot to play. Yeah, this one you can cut half to use to into your project, yeah, book. Okay, let me just show you one by one. And this is very good quality printy cardstock, so I print both sides. And also I use this collection is from the Etsy shop. Yeah, have to check the link if you want interested to buy this. I print onto the center here and layer with the brown paper. So you got this one, so you can put into your page like so, and the lace. So let me to see, because I really forget what I did for this book, this kit. Yeah, I use this. All this is the scan and cut. I use the scan and cut machine to cut all these. So you can glue here to hold the tag, or even glue this side or this side, so you can design the book with this. I believe I still have some more. Let me do. Oh, okay. And I got one is in the big size. Yeah, and this I also print this. You can use it for journaling. Yeah, another one. Okay. And all this from the collection, the paper collection. I put this is for your journaling. This is the envelope for you to write the love letter. Okay. Another envelope. And this is another for you to write the letter or whatever. And show you already. Okay. And some more. Let me just check. And okay, you got three different small and 2 in the big size. Okay, for this first book. Okay, and the second book, you can see the color is so beautiful. Okay, so you can use this as a cover page. The book is beautiful. Okay, and also another lace fabric, and this one I print onto the doily and glue here and print this image on top. Yeah, lots of work to do for this, because I print I think 2 or 3 times on this brown paper, so it came up like so. Okay, so this is the page, and lots of stuff here. And this one I also use the back, and out of battery. I need to adjust the camera and show you. Okay, this one you can use this like a border. It's beautiful. You can cut out also. Okay, so you have this. And so you have all this is the pocket. You can see the line here. You can score and fold it and make it to hold as a pocket. Okay, hold all the tag here. It's a pocket. Yeah, beautiful paper. So you got this and the tag. Both sides also I print out. Actually, you can see, it's different. So you have the ticket here. Ticket I didn't print back. And this one is the big size. So you can just, this one you score and fold and make a pocket to hold all the tag here. Okay, and you got the 2 and 2 big and 2 small, and the tag, another tag. And this one is the slim one, and this one is also is the pocket, so it's the square one. So you fold and score the line and fold it and glue into your page. And this one I print onto the this crossing bag. This like this, and here you can write thing. Actually, you can see here it's a pocket. Another page here also is a pocket. So you can glue. Oh yeah, let's say so you can put a tag here. I believe you have the big size tag. I just grab the tag so you can put the tag inside, or even you can put this side, so the tag here, and flip. Okay, put side, flip like so. Okay, so you got this. So I put like so you know what is that. So yeah, and then some more image. You can see the bride here. So you can use this as a wedding, or the save this for the next year Valentine kit. Very beautiful vintage paper collection. So yeah, that's it for this set here. So let me put everything here. Yeah, so everything I some of those I print so many layer. Time. I mean the work, so much work to do for this printing. So okay, this. Okay, so this is the second. This one is come with this. Okay, so you can put inside the book. Okay, this is the last. This you can cut it half from the book, so you can put like so. Okay, and this one, the cardstock, the cover page is this. I also print with this paper, match with this theme. So you can journaling here. This is okay, and the book here. You can cover this with another paper. So let me put down. You have this for your the letter. This image here. So this is the pocket. Another pocket. Another to ticket the image. Some more. And the small pocket here. A small pocket here. And this is the tag for you to journaling. Okay, some more. Let's see. And this. So print both side. Another pocket. Another for you to journaling. You can fold this together and write something here. I use this is the brown paper. Is match with this kit. Some more. Okay, this is the page. Okay, and this page here. This is this is the front. Also glue the doily and print all this on top. It came up beautiful. Inside I didn't do anything here. And so print with this on the doily, glue the doily onto the brown paper and print, and first cut out. Turn out so beautiful. Okay, and some more. Okay, this you can use this as a tab here. Okay, and you got the big size here. Okay, this item is for the kid. So yeah, you have, I believe you will have so much fun to play with this kit, and I'm so happy I found this for myself. It's beautiful. And this one, and this is the cover page. Okay, so you can buy, and you check the tutorial from YouTube. You click on the YouTube and find journal binding with elastic band. There will have so many there and teach you how to do it. So this is the book here. Use this too. Okay. I think 3 yard this elastic band here, so and put this, so you can use this to bind your book. Okay. The flower for you to decorate the book. This and this, and this is one more tab here. You can reuse this. But this is the flower. Only one available. If you are interested, just place your order in the comment. And thanks again for everyone. And join me if haven't joined me in my Facebook kit group. Please feel free to join in. I will pop the link below the description box. And if you don't have Facebook, so you can email to me anyway, or just leave me a comment here. And thanks again for everyone, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit, and bye bye.